Well, I'd like to welcome you back to this store that I'm trying to put together across the street. It's going to be a gift store, ice cream shop, and I'm going to have some museum-y type of stuff in here as well. As you remember, Rick in the Luminary Shops, he's going to put some of this stuff in this area. But I've been spending the last 3 days putting up this tin on the side walls here. I have the tall stuff up to the door, and I've been working my way around the back wall. I haven't got the top of this big opening door in the back. I have most of my bathroom, and this would be kind of the north wall. I have it buttoned up as much as we're going to. This building was initially built with brick, and a lot of this came from a brick factory out of Fromberg. And so I'm going to leave the top of this brick exposed, kind of as it is. It seems to be kind of acceptable these days. So I just framed in, about 8 foot up. I've got this section to do around the bathroom door. Ended up that I was 1 sheet short of this size, but I've got enough that I'm going to have extra that when I get the rest of the back done and the top over this wall, I've kind of got it figured I'm going to have a piece that's going to fit in here. Then I can go ahead and do my top trim on that one and my final corner trim. So this was initially wired for sconce lights or wall lights, and so I left them as they are. I haven't really decided which ones I want yet. I put this one up as kind of an experiment. I may put a kind of a frosted lens on here instead of these clear lenses. But this corner here is going to be where the ice cream is going to be, and then there will be open for spaces for individuals that want to come in and rent spaces in here to sell their arts and crafts and gifts and that type of deal. So that'll be partially along this wall and then partially along this wall on both sides of the bathroom. So I've been working my way toward the back. This is the mechanical room with our new furnace, and there'll be kind of a little supply station here, putting bifold doors in, an office, and then there'll be a wash station here towards the back. So this is where I'm going to finish my tin work, and this is where I think I'm going to have my piece for the bathroom door, is out of the section of one of these doors I can take and transfer to that. So I think it'll work all right. So my focus today is going to be to finish this wall above my big door here, get that tinned in, finish my bathroom, work on the rest of the tin for the mechanical room and the office in the back. And it's just putting up tin, sizing and cutting, and so I haven't brought you along on all of this, but this is kind of where I'm at and want to let you know what the progress is. piece by piece, we're gaining. I did have enough out of these doors that I cut out to finish that bathroom. So this completes all the wall tin. I still have my inside corners, outside corners. I'm going to put an outside corner along the top like I did on the bathroom. A little bit of trim work, and I think we'll have her kind of wound up. Appreciate you coming along. Thanks for watching.